Hey guys, this case is about Rolando D. Cortez, the petitioner, and Luz G. Cortez, the respondent, GR number 224638, dated April 10, 2019. This case talks about Article 36 of the Family Code, which states that marriage contracted by any party who, at the time of the celebration, was psychologically incapacitated to comply with the essential marital obligations of marriage shall likewise be void, even if such incapacity becomes manifest only after its solemnization. For the facts of the case, petitioner and respondent were married on March 5, 1990, and on June 9, 2003, petitioner filed an amended petition for the declaration of nullity of his marriage on the ground of his and respondent's psychological incapacity. Petitioner claimed that he was forced by respondent's brother to marry the respondent and that they have never had a honeymoon nor sexual intercourse. He also claimed that, upon his return to the Philippines in 1998 from his work overseas, he subjected himself to a seminal examination which showed that he had a low sperm count and did not have the capacity to impregnate a woman. In her answer, respondent alleged that she and petitioner were introduced by a common friend in 1988 and that they began to have a deep relationship, sharing each other's pains and secrets, that she intimated to the petitioner that she had been sexually abused before and bore a child, that they became sweethearts and he would sleep over at her apartment. She claimed that their marital woes started in 1994 when petitioner told her that his New Year's wish was to be with another woman, Susan Barry, and that they began to have fights and the petitioner left their apartment in 1995. The petitioner consulted Dr. Felicitas Arteaga Soriano, a psychiatrist, and then declared both of parties psychologically incapacitated to comply with the essential marital obligations of marriage. The issue in this case is whether the CA erred in affirming the RTC's finding that the totality of evidence presented by the petitioner failed to show that either or both parties were psychologically incapacitated to comply with their essential marital obligations, which would result in the nullity of their marriage. The court found no merit in the petition, and that the CA committed no error when it concurred with the RTC's finding that petitioner failed to show that he and respondent were both psychologically incapable of knowing and performing their marital and parental obligations. And a perusal of the records will show that such findings is supported by the evidence. That's all for this case. Thank you everyone and keep safe.